Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find, guys, the alarm, also known as anti-theft fuses and relays on Jeep Cherokee, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, guys. We'll explain where you can find these fuses and relays. And by the way, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out if you need anything, and you can also see where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, what you can expect to find the fuses, relays for the alarm system, also known as anti-theft system. Now, quick advice, there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why, guys, we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video people told us save them a lot of money. What we need to do, open the driver door, guys. And here on the driver's side, I want to show you something. You see that headlight switch here? Now, let's get a closer look at it. That's the headlight switch. Underneath you have that storage compartment. Open it. And if you pull it all the way down, on the back side of it you have a fuse box, okay? Once you put that thing down, that's the fuse box. It looks like this one here. Before we, guys, continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. What we will, guys, need to check here specifically, let's explain now. These fuse numbers do not make any sense. For instance, that's fuse number 36, 32, 93. So, guys, they're not in order, just to clarify that so you don't get confused. But the fuse for the alarm system, also known as anti-theft system, is fuse number 36. That very top fuse on the left side, that one right here. That's the one, guys, that you will need to check. You don't have a relay, you have only that fuse. That's known as a relay fuse, guys. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.